Hi, my name is Ahmed Fazuddin, Year 1 Creative Computing student. My Bhatspa student ID is 588541. Hello guys, welcome to my vending machine. Today we are going to be checking if our vending machine is working or not and execute it in 5 different ways to see the different results. So, I'm going to be running the vending machine code and see if it works. So here's the menu, as you can see, and I'm going to enter the code of item that I want to purchase. So let's say I want to purchase mini muffins, so I'm going to enter C5, and they'll ask you if you want to buy the product, so I'll say yes. So they ask you to insert the money. I insert the money. Let's add 3 so that I get $1 change. Nope. So here it is. You can see that the vending machine is completely functional. So let's say if we didn't put enough money in the vending machine to purchase the product. So I'm going to be running the code again. Okay. So I want to buy mini muffins again. So C5, and it's $2. So I want to buy the product. Yes. I'll insert $1, and let's see what the program will give us. The amount inserted is not sufficient and purchase failed. So that's the second scenario. Now let's go to the third scenario. What if I enter the wrong code? Instead of C5, let me enter C6. So let's see. Okay, now I'm going to type C6, which is not there in the menu. So it shows, please enter the code of item that you want and to purchase that is displayed on the menu. C6, incorrect code, please try again. So that's what pops up when I type C6. So okay, now the fourth scenario. What if I wanted to forfeit midway? Like I changed my mind and I don't want to buy anything. So we're going to be running the code. I'll enter C5 again, and now I changed my mind. I don't want to buy. So I press no, and it shows purchase failed. Now the last scenario. What if the product was out of stock? So I'm gonna go up here, make muffins 0. So it's out of stock now. So let me run the program again. I want C5 muffins, which is out of stock, by the way. It shows, sorry, mini muffins is out of stock. Okay, now let's go through a walkthrough and a technical breakdown of this Python program. So we're going to start with the overview. So this is a Python program that simulates a vending machine. Within this machine, there are to be 3 major categories that hold items for selling, like snacks, drinks, and etc. Each menu item will have details associated with it, such as the name of the item, price of the item, and the stock. The user shall select an item to buy from the machine, and the program shall confirm the user's choice and check if the product is in stock and process the payment. Let's go through the structure and functionality of this program step by step. The first one is data structure of nested dictionary. The central part of the vending machine program is a nested dictionary called menu. The menu enumerates all the available product from the machine. There are 3 categories: snacks, drinks, and etc., which have several items. Each one of them comes with another dictionary containing the following information: name of the product, cost of the product, and the number of stocks. So it can be noticed from this nested dictionary that the program will go through it without any problem in order to access the information. Regardless, every single item, name, price, and stock piece count, keys of the first level donate categories like snacks, drinks, and etc., while key of the second level like A1, B2 identify the items. Second, displaying the menu. So the display menu function will utilize to print all the menu for the customer. This method iterates on all the menu dictionary and prints all categories, snacks, drinks, and etc. Then prints everything that makes up that category. Then for the outer loop will execute 3 times only, once for each category. The inner for loop will iterate through the items in each category, displaying the product code, name, price, and its stock. Now third, buying a product. The user is asked to buy a product after the menu has been presented. They need to enter a product code. The function purchase product encapsulates selecting and buying a product. These are the key steps in purchasing. Input validation. The user is asked to input the product code. If the code is invalid, the program will display an error message. Stock check. After finding the product, the program checks if the item is in stock. If the stock is greater than 0, the user is prompted to confirm their purchase. Confirmation. If the user confirms, they are asked to insert the correct amount of money. Payment validation. The program checks if the inserted amount is sufficient. If it is, the transaction is proceeded. Stock is reduced by 1 and any change is returned to user. If the amount is insufficient, the user is notified about it and it will show purchase failed. Out of stock handling. If the item is out of stock, the user is informed that the product is unavailable. 4. Main loop for continuous operation. The vending machine function is a major loop of program. This function ensures the vending machine continues to operate until the user decides to stop. After each purchase attempt, the user is asked if they want to buy any other product. If the user answers yes, the menu is displayed again, and the purchasing process begins anew. If the answer is no, the program thanks the user and exits. And finally, error handling and edge cases. Invalid product code. If the user inputs an invalid product that doesn't exist, the program prints incorrect code, please try again. Out of stock products. If the user tries to buy products that has no stock left, the machine informs that the product is unavailable. Insufficient payment. If the user doesn't insert enough money to buy the selected item, the transaction fails and the user is informed about the issue. So, in conclusion, this Python program stimulates a vending machine where the user can view a menu, choose an item to purchase, and make the payment. It incorporates various features including nested dictionaries for storing product details, function for handling user input, and simple error handling to ensure smooth user experience. It provides a hand-on way to understand key program concepts like dictionary, loop, conditionals, and user input handling.